English to Spanish future tense. I will go.
Iré.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Ready to have fun with the Spanish future tense? Today we'll master how to say will go in Spanish with the verb ir, think promises, plans, and bold declarations like
Iré.
Let's make your Spanish future bright and funny. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say every person of will go in Spanish. Keep your ears open and repeat out loud. You'll learn, I will go.
Iré.
You, too, will go.
Irás.
He will go.
Él irá.
She will go.
Ella irá.
It will go.
Irá.
We will go.
Iremos.
You all, Spain, will go.
Vosotros iréis.
And they will go.
Ellos irán.
Say them with me as we go. Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, loud and proud. Nail the rhythm, and your memory will thank you. I will go.
Iré.
You, too, will go.
Irás.
He will go.
Él irá.
She will go.
Ella irá.
It will go.
Irá.
E.g., it will go well.
Irá bien.
Closing parenthesis. We will go.
Iremos.
You all, vosotros, will go.
Vosotros iréis.
They will go.
Ellos irán.
Pro tip. All come from ir, to go. Accents carry the beat, don't drop them. Mini dialogues. Let's plug these into life-like moments. Act them out. Yes, you. A. If the rain stops, I will go. B. Same here. A.
Si deja de llover, iré.
B. Yo también. Friend. Will you go tomorrow? You. Yes, you will go early and I will go after. Friend.
Irás.
Mañana? You. Sí.
Irás.
Temprano y yo.
Iré.
Displays. Silly but memorable. Coach. He will go to the gym.
Él irá.
Al gimnasio. And she will go to the track.
Ella irá.
A la pista. Project stand-up. Don't worry, it will go well.
No te preocupes, irá bien.
Weekend plan. We will go by train.
Iremos.
En tren. In Spain to your friends, you all will go by bus.
Vosotros iréis.
En autobus. Fan chat. They will go to the final.
Ellos irán.
A la final. Rhythm and rhyme drill. Clap a steady beat and speak with swagger. Your future self approves. Beat 1 2 3 4. I will go.
Iré.
You will go.
Irás.
He will go.
Él irá.
She will go.
Ella irá.
It will go.
Irá.
We will go.
Iremos.
You all will go.
Vosotros iréis.
They will go.
Ellos irán.
Now faster.
Iré. Irás. Él irá. Ella irá. Irá. Iremos. Vosotros iréis. Ellos irán.
Nailed it. Culture tip. The magic of todo irá bien. Spanish speakers love reassuring each other about the future. You'll often hear, everything will go fine.
Todo irá bien.
Use it before exams, trips, or tackling your laundry mountain. It's short, sweet, and super native. Quick quiz time. Answer out loud. If your plant looks at you funny, it's just impressed. Q1. Say, I will go.
Iré.
Q2. Say, you, too, will go.
Irás.
Q3. Say, he will go, and she will go.
Él irá. Ella irá.
Q4. Make a reassurance, it will go well.
Irá bien.
Q5. Say, we will go.
Iremos.
Q6. Spain plural, you all will go.
Vosotros iréis.
Q7. They will go.
Ellos irán.
Final challenge. Your turn to flex. Keep it playful. Mistakes are just funny warm-ups. Create a tiny story using at least 3 forms. Example. Tomorrow we will go to the beach, and they will go to the museum. If it rains, it will go differently. Now say it in Spanish.
Mañana iremos a la playa, y ellos irán al museo. Si llueve, irá de manera diferente.
Now swap in you, to, and I.
Irás.
Temprano y.
Iré.
Después. One more time with the Spain plural.
Vosotros iréis.
En coach. You're unstoppable. Wrap up and thanks. You did great, future tense unlocked. Today you nailed.
Iré. Irás. Él irá. Ella irá. Irá. Iremos. Vosotros iréis. Ellos irán.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing aloud, and remember.
Todo irá bien.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.